Hours after protests rocked the Indian capital, opposition leaders met for another dinner. Members of parliament of the so-called INDI bloc marched towards the Election Commission following shocking allegations by the Lok Sabha leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. The Congress MP alleges massive voter fraud, citing data from the EC itself. While the poll body has sought a signed oath from the elected representative, the opposition asked, why won't EC investigate? In this high-octane drama, the opposition alliance met for the second time since Rahul Gandhi's explosive press conference. The first meeting came on August 7th, the very day the MP kicked off his campaign for one person, one vote.
DFOIGOIDF, father's name. नहीं आप हंस रहे हो भैया, पूरा सिस्टम उड़ा दिया है, चोरी हो रही है.
Rahul Gandhi has made serious allegations against the Election Commission of India, raising questions about the integrity of the electoral process, the current government, and most importantly, the value of one man's vote in the country. Mallikarjun Kharge's INDI bloc unity call dinner came 2 days after Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi hosted a dinner in a massive show of strength. Since then, the opposition has shown a united front against the ruling BJP and the electoral system of India, with protests shaking the parliament. Top INDI bloc leaders from around the country including Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray, Farooq Abdullah, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, CM Siddaramaiah, CM Revanth Reddy, Abhishek Banerjee and more attended this very dinner. Even as INDI bloc rallied behind Rahul Gandhi, some questions remain. Days after the first dinner on August 7th, around 300 MPs marched in New Delhi. Intense drama followed as police began detaining Member of Parliaments. The INDI bloc leaders were stopped by the police in their protest march towards the EC office. However, with similar fleeting moments of unity in the past, including the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, questions arise over who will remain on the ground, keeping the ideologies and differences from around the country intact. Times now hit the ground. Reaching dinner venue, we found Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav and top opposition faces were among the first to leave the dinner. Sources say the mood was upbeat and hot topics largely revolved around the naan. Leaving the venue, the Congress president spoke on camera.
के पास कोई जवाब नहीं था वहाँ पर बुलाने के लिए. और दूसरी चीज हमने ये बोला कि भाई आप 30 लोग 20 लोग ऐसा मत पूछिए, हम सब लोग मिल के आए, एक बड़े हॉल में अरेंज करो, हम अपनी बात रखेंगे और आपके पास क्या कमियां हैं हम बताएंगे. लेकिन उन्होंने किसी को बुलाया नहीं, सेलेक्टेड लोगों को आओ बोले. सेलेक्टेड लोगों को अगर हम भेज देते तो अलग अलग पार्टी के लोग नाराज होते हैं. इसीलिए हम वहीं पर उनको बोले कि बढ़िया एक हॉल बनाकर हमसे संवाद करो.
Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party seems to have pivoted after publicly opposing the Congress after the Lok Sabha elections and the New Delhi Assembly battle. Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh attended the dinner and left late. For us, he had a seeing message of conditional unity for the opposition.
दूसरी बात, हम लोग SIR के मुद्दे पर साथ हैं, सारी विपक्षी पार्टियां. SIR के मुद्दे से पूरा देश इस समय.
On the other hand, senior Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi also left later than many. The MP from Assam questioned the Election Commission's shortcomings and how the INDI bloc's joint march was halted.
के पास जाना चाहता और उनको रोका जाता. शरद पवार साहब जी को रोका जाता, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी को रोका जाता, राम गोपाल यादव जी को रोका जाता, राहुल गांधी जी को, प्रियंका जी को रोका जाता, DMK के TR बालू जी को रोका जाता. तो जहाँ पर दिल्ली पुलिस, अमित शाह जी की पुलिस सांसदों को सुरक्षा देनी चाहिए, वहीं पर सांसदों को बस पे उठाकर धक्का मुक्की कर पुलिस थाने में ले जाकर इस प्रकार का जो माहौल दिखा रही है, आज मुझे लगता है कि बीजेपी ने, सरकार ने बहुत अहम रोल किया.
With an alliance rebrewing, the opposition may be posturing unity, but the question remains, can the INDI bloc stand united, or will the bloc crumble as the political aspirations take over?